people, we suffer slavery and death. Are you listening? As a people, the world is watching as the white man continues to deny us freedom, deny us justice, and deny us equality. And our only response to the outrages that we suffer under the white man's power, our only response is to continue to seek a freedom, a justice, and an equality that the white man couldn't give us even if he tried. Come on. Because the white man is a devil by nature. Come on, brother. The white man is evil, wicked, and unrighteous by nature. The white man is the devil. He is by nature. He cannot change. Talk black to me.